In our last problem of the set, 15.31, we are given an equilibrium expression, an equilibrium equation, a Kc for that equilibrium at a certain temperature, and we're also told that at equilibrium the concentration of SO2Cl2, and we're told the concentration of SO2, and we're supposed to find what's the concentration of this at equilibrium. Okay? So our first step is obviously we need the equilibrium expression. So once again, we put together an expression. We've got our products over the reactant. This time, though, the one we don't know is one of the chemicals right up here. So we don't know this one, but we do know everything else. So this is just algebra. And if you remember, the proper way to get all your points is to first rearrange the equation. So I rearrange the equilibrium expression. So now it solves for the concentration of chlorine gas. And I just substitute in and let my calculator figure out that their concentration would be 0.16 molar. It's probably a very good idea on the AP exam to include the unit, even though it should be clear since we're finding concentration over here, but it's a good idea so that the grader has an easy way of giving you your points. You might notice that this time I only have 2 digits in my answer. And that's because when I look at the digits I started with, I have only 2 significant digits here and also down here. You always have to go with the fewest number of significant digits. So even though this number has 3 significant digits, I don't get to use all 3. I'm limited by the fact that those 2 numbers here each only had 2 significant digits.